Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace United States Postal Service Shipping plugin. Now this particular plugin enables the Marketplace USPS shipping method, and this allows the buyers to choose the United States Postal Service shipping method as a shipping method there at the checkout time for getting their products delivered. Now in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the workflow at the customers and how the customers can find the particular shipping method at the checkout time. So for that, I'll be adding a few products into the cart there, and then I'll be making a checkout thereafter, and I'll show you the workflow of the same. So here we'll be moving to the checkout. So before we proceed further with the particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the checkout page right now, and I've selected my new address here. I'll tapping here on the continue button, and here I'll again choose my new address, that's California, and I'll tap on the continue button thereafter. Now here we'll see that under the delivery methods, if I scroll up here under the delivery methods, you can find that we have the Marketplace USPS shipping method there available for the customers there, with the different shipping method types there, as you can see. So the customer can choose any one of them and can then proceed further to place the order very easily. Now after placing the order, he'll be able to view the particular details of the shipping applicable, as well as before confirming the order as well, the customer can find the amount that's for $53.30 there for the priority mail express 1 day delivery by USPS there, and he can confirm the order thereafter. Now after confirming the order, the customer can view the history of the order there, and there as well he'll find the particular details of the shipping method that has been selected by the customer. And under the order history, here he'll be finding the amount that has been charged for that particular shipping method that was chosen by the customer. So this is the customer's workflow, and now let me take you to the vendor end, and let me show you how the vendors would be able to view this particular order. So they'll be going to the marketplace order history section there, under the within the marketplace section that you can see here on the right hand side. You just have to navigate to the section that's the order history section, and here's let's just filter this out. I'll just filter it out, and here's the latest order that we have placed by John Doe. The two products were there, the Apple iPhone and the design bangles were there, and from here I can view the particular shipping method for this particular order itself. And from here the vendor can enter the tracking number and can send the tracking number to the customers there, so that they can check that particular tracking number and can track their shipping itself. So now let's head on to the admin backend panel, and let's see the initial configuration settings that are required by the marketplace admin there for setting this shipping up. That's the United States Postal Services shipping. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel now. So right now I've logged into the admin backend panel of the marketplace there, and what I'll be doing is I'll be navigating through extensions, then under the choose extension type, here we'll be selecting modules, and here we'll be going to the I'm sorry for that, we have to go to the shipping section, basically shipping, and within that we'll have to go to the Webkul marketplace USPS shipping there. So you have to edit here by tapping here on the edit button under the actions column there, and here you'll find the different configuration settings that need to be set up before making use of this particular plugin at the storefront. So here you will be able to set up the method name that would be visible to the customers at the storefront there, and would be visible to the customers in the order section as well. Then you have to enter the user ID, so you have to have an account at the United States Postal Services shipping system there. So after you've registered yourself there, you'll get one user ID. That user ID needs to be entered here. Then you have to enter the zip code of your store, Then here you have the domestic services and the international services provided by the USPS itself. So from the list you can select anyone as per your own requirement there, and accordingly those would be visible and accessible to the customers at the storefront automatically. So here you have the international services, you can also choose them up as well. So depending upon the customer's address, different services would be displayed. For domestic there would be these type of ones, and for international services there will be these type of method needs available to the customers there. Then the admin can set up the size of the shipment there as a regular one or a large one, depends upon the requirement there. So you can choose accordingly. Then you can choose the container as rectangular, non-rectangular, or a variable one, whether you want to make it as machinable or not, the particular shipping that you're going to do. Then you have the length, width, and height of this particular container there. Then you have the delivery date or the delivery time there. So if you want to display the shipping time at the checkout time to the customers there, then you can choose this option as a yes. And you have the display delivery weight as well. So if you want, you can also display the shipping weight there to the customers at the checkout time. Then we have the weight class, whether it's a kilogram, gram, pound, or ounce. And then you can choose your particular text class, select your particular geozone, enable this particular method by choosing the status as enabled, set the sort order at the checkout time, and choose to have the debug mode as enabled or disabled. And thereafter you have to just tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So that was much about the configuration settings there, and that was much about the video itself, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the plugin there. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Lastly, thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.